Hello everybody, my name is Sharif Khan and I am studying in ICCA Davangere. Today's topic is Introduction to Programming Languages. What are programming languages? Programming languages are the mediums through which humans communicate instruction to computer, just like spoken languages facilitate communication between people. Programming languages enable us to write code that computers can understand and execute. They have their own syntax and rules which must be followed to create functional programs. It means if you want to communicate with other peoples, you have to speak Hindi, Kannada or English. You have to learn that languages. But if you want to communicate with computer, you have to learn programming languages. Example C++, C hash, Python, Java. Types of programming language. First, machine level language. Machine level language are also known as machine code. It's a low level programming language composed of binary code that a computer's CPU directly executes. It provides precious control over hardware, but it's complex and difficult for humans to read it. In machine level language, it uses binary code for compile and execute, but for humans to read and write, it is very difficult and complex. Second, high level language. High level language are programming language that are more abstract and easier for human to read and write, such as Python, Java, and C++. In high level language, you can see the comparison. Machine level language is so complex and difficult for human to read and write. But in high level language, humans can easily read and write, but they can also write a good program. They can understand. It can understand. They can use logical syntax for programming. Third, low-level language. Low-level languages such as assembly and machine code are closer to hardware and offer precious control over computer CPU memory. They are efficient but challenging to read and write due to their complexity and lack of abstractions. Low-level language are totally opposite of high level language, but it is because it is very difficult and challenging for humans to read it, because due to their complexity and lack of abstractions. It is only used in close. It is very closer to hardware and offers precious control of computer. Language translators. Language translators in programming are tools that converts code from one programming language to another. It is a translator. It is a tool in a programming language which converts code from programming language to another. There are three types of programming translators: compiler, interpreter, and assembler. In compiler means this translate high level language code into machine code at all at once. And observe this point. Compiler can translate or compile the full program at once directly. It can read answers. But in it uh, interpreters it execute by line by line. And assembler, it can convert assembly language code into machine code. The assembler works at a lower level than compiler and interpreters. It observe this. It is so slow that it is works in lower level. But compiler can execute all the program at once. Interpreter line by line, and assembler lower than the both. You understood, guys? Thank thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like my video.